meticulously designed and crafted by our team of experts. This Twinssecond delivers coffee and espresso of exceptional quality and supreme coffee enjoyment. K-Fi brewers combine high-quality design, functionality, and uncomplicated cleaning. The Twinssecond offers not only brew-style coffee but a wide range of coffee specialties from espresso and cappuccinos to lattes. For ease of use, K-Fi machines have been designed to include an automatic switch-off feature and a removable water tank. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Enjoyment comes in cups of all sizes. The Twinssecond from K-Fi is a coffee and espresso maker for all occasions. A really large cup of coffee in the morning, espresso or cappuccino in the afternoon or after dinner. The Twinssecond makes it all possible with an enlarged water tank of fantastic 78 ounces so that fans of large cups need to top off the water a lot less frequently. Number 2. Replaces up to 3 coffee makers. Does your old drip coffee machine need large mugs or carafes? Does your old single-serve coffee machine take too long when you are in a hurry? Ever feel like an espresso but your coffee maker doesn't have the capabilities? Let all 3 of them retire and replace them with the Twinssecond coffee and espresso maker. Number 3. Need frothy milk foam. Latero. If you also want to prepare milk foam using fresh milk, soy milk, or almond milk for your cappuccino, latte macchiato, or any other drink, we recommend our K-Fi Latero milk frother, a splendid accessory that is sold separately. Number 4. Exciting design. In many coffee machines and pod machines, the water tank is hidden. Not with the Twins series from K-Fi. Here, the water tank is a beautiful design element integrated into the functionality of the machine. With its accessibility on the side, the water tank is easily removable for refilling. Number 5. Great cup, great taste. As soon as the special K-Fi pods have been filled, they are sealed to ensure the freshest aroma. This is especially important because only freshly ground coffee yields a full aroma. With K-Fi pods, every cup will be as flavorful as if it were fresh from the roasting house. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.